This is Rick Drury with Classic Auto Insurance. We're here at Detroit Autorama 2020. I'm here with Kenny in this beautiful 52
Chevy pickup.
52 Chevy pickup truck. Yeah. Off the charts custom on this. Tell me a little bit about the truck, when it came in, what kind of condition was it, and what was the plan from the get-go?
Bought the truck in Arizona 10 years ago.
Okay.
Shipped it out here. Shipped it back here to Michigan. Didn't really start working on it until I retired, which was 8 years ago.
Okay.
And then it was in really good condition. There's no bad weather in Arizona, so it wasn't rusty or anything.
On this, did you start off with a rendering or anything like that? Did you have a plan, or were you just kind of, you knew you were going to get it restored and then figure out?
No rendering. I wanted to keep the body as stock as possible.
Okay, cool.
So all the modifications were, under the hood, on the frame,
right,
and in the interior. Basically, all the panels are stock.
Okay, very good. All steel.
All steel.
That's cool.
Yeah, all steel.
Right,
the interior is red leather.
Yeah.
And it has Ostrich on the door panels and on the seats.
Okay.
The paint it's water-based paint called Blue Heaven.
Blue Heaven. So did you do most of the work yourself?
I did a lot of it, but my builder, can you come up here?
Yeah.
Dennis.
Yeah. We'll get Dennis to come on up. So so you started off, you tore it apart?
Tore it apart, did the frame, did the chassis.
Okay.
I'm not a fabricator.
Okay.
So I got with my builder here. This is Dennis Henninen.
Come on in, Dennis.
Yep.
All right, so...
Den's place is restoration.
Awesome. So when you got the truck, he started working on it, and then tell me what you picked up and where you went with it.
Yeah, I guess basically he had started on it. We kind of basically redid the body work. Yeah, I mean, it's never easy when you take over someone else's project, but we battled through it, redid basically all the body,
okay,
got everything to fit really well, bounced ideas off each other with the different finishes, the matte on the engine bay.
Right. The contrast of the engine with the red is phenomenal.
Yeah.
You wouldn't think that at first, but then it's like...
Yeah, well, a lot of
that
people
works.
said you can't put red with the blue truck.
Yeah, we put a lot of time, and we're kind of sticklers when it comes to body and paint.
How many hours do you think you got in it?
I'm guessing we probably put, if I remember right, we're probably a little over 2,000 hours into it.
Yeah, it looks like it.
And there was work done before we started, so there's a lot of time that went into this truck.
Well, we completed it enough to take it to the Frankenmuth show in September last year, and then we brought it back and had a lot of small things, mechanical issues and things that we had to...
Just new car bugs.
Yeah, new car bugs to work out of it, and so then this is the only second time it's been shown.
Okay. What area are you in?
I'm out in the Howell-Fenton area.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay, name of the shop is Den's Place?
Den's Place Auto
All right,
Restorations.
you got a website?
We don't have a website, but we have Instagram, Facebook.
Perfect, so just look for Den's Place.
Yeah,
on that.
yeah,
Awesome.
for sure.
Yeah.
But we're just a family shop, wife and I and 3 sons, and
Awesome.
That's the way we're going to keep it.
I would.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
great.
Yeah, it's
Well,
good.
awesome truck.
Thank you.
Congratulations for being, you're among the best of the best here.
Yeah,
So,
it was kind of a scary thing. They put us up front here, and it's intimidating being by these Riddler contenders.
Oh my gosh.
but I'm actually pretty proud of.
You should be.
Yeah,
what
real
we
far,
have.
that's what-
yeah,
We got a fraction of the money into this truck of what these cars have. And,
Yeah.
and I think it shows well.
It
so,
does. It
yeah.
does. Pretty impressive.
Yeah.
Well, it's nice meeting you guys.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Awesome truck, and
Thank you.
congratulations, man. It's
Thank you.
getting plenty of attention.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Classic Auto. Agreed value, mileage rollover, and tiered mileage plans. Classic Auto. Insuring your vehicle. Insuring your passion. Call or click Classic Auto today.